Guys, bona. Nice. What kita try?
Oh, okay.
Amen. Oh, so tired.
Ah, ito gusto no. Ya shesha no talo. Sona ni sona ti. Kadi na iwasan.
You wanna send me the your son? You wanna eat your son?
Tomorrow na take away here. Tomorrow na take away here.
Let's open a new vlog, guys. So we went out just now. We are back. Ish. Guys, the school is running away. Ish, you know. Oh, good afternoon. It's good evening. Good evening, family. How are you? So today's Friday. It's Friday, guys. Guys, let me show you chicken.
Rock.
It's a rock, guys. You see, guys. You see. So yeah, we bought this rock. We wanted to prepare it for today, but it's late, guys. It's late. So we're gonna cook it, and then we'll eat it tomorrow. Yeah, we'll prepare it for tomorrow, guys. So yeah. So I hope you are good. I hope you are still fine, and I hope you are still enjoying the vlogs. And we have a new vlog today, guys. Please watch it. Please watch it to the fullest, guys. Please support us. We need to watch ours, guys. So let us cook, but we are not cooking together. I just wanted to check on you guys. Please watch. Please watch. Please. I'm begging you. We need those who watch ours, guys. I love you. Oh, this is our oven cleaner. I just wanna clean the oven now because whoever here wants to use it. I know my oven is dirty, so I have to clean it. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Fine. It's yours now. Okay. So now it's spicy already. Can top of it.
Yeah, spicy.
Spicy here, Papa.
Yeah.
Okay. Give it for over. Fried chicken, Phoebe.
Mm.
Okay. Okay.
The one and only.
You.
Pindile.
Okay. So what are we taking to Juicy today?
No drink.
Nothing. All right, guys. This is our supper, guys. It's Friday. Takeaways allowed, okay? So, good night.
Family of 6.
Mmm. Take your time. Sit here.
Hayi begijima la ngaphandle.
Aski is going to boat. He ate everything.
Ke yona ntho mokgotledisang ya o mathe. Ke yona ntho mokgotledisang.
Did you show the top? Put this. Hmm?
Thank you. Let's go play. Go get up.
Let's go play.
Were you doing this today? Yeah.
At school today we were doing that. And a trip. You were going with the taxi. What were you doing in a taxi? Inside the taxi? Tell me.
Yeah, dancing Goomba.
Oh, Goomba. Sona la Goomba. Fire. Goomba la
What?
Goomba. Don't feel like Goomba. Sona la Goomba.
Oh. Do you own half?
Which coconut are you talking about? No, fresh now.
That's one to the one. Now you're starting me. Listen. It's time to bath.
Yes, I know.
You know, but you're still there. Like a single.
You're not sleeping.
Let's go.
Yeah, you must sleep. my sleep. That's one of them. Orange juice. You go say afternoon. Paddy. Inside the fridge. Yes!
Yes. Yes, I'm done. Good morning, family. How are you? I hope you are good. I hope you are fine today. It's Saturday. No, it's Sunday, guys. Sunday because I didn't go to church. Now I'm saying Sunday, Saturday. It's Sunday, guys. So I'm going for cruiseries, mini cruiseries, guys. Yo, so many things out, guys. So I have to go and buy them. So let's go together. Buy everything. What do you want? Oh,
How much?
sugar early in the morning.
You want to know how much?
What about that? Hmm? Huh? Another sugar. Do you have man? King, we better.
What I'm talking for? When are about that?
Sandwich.
Sandwich if you.
Pizza.
What are you? What are you? For me. For me. Come and pay. I'm a home.
What do we have in there?
Oh. Yeah, nice long as you're channel to the area. I'm not there.
actually cheap, they are so affordable.
Kapaka go and go.
We are back from groceries. So we are unpacking and packing. So guys, we can't do it with you guys. It's late and now I'm tired. I just want to show you few things, guys, like vegetables. How important to buy vegetables on when they are on promotion. So I usually like Pick and Pay. Buy my groceries from Pick and Pay, guys. Yeah, it has so many specials, guys. Yeah. So yeah, let me show you some vegetables and fruits, guys. This tomato is 10 rand. It's not a normal price. And then the strawberries, it's 40 rand for three of them. For three. So the price is good. And then the eggs. When you buy this, 60 is 100 rand. And then green beans, 10 rand. Lettuce, 10 rand. Red cabbage, 10 rand. Cucumber is 10 rand. Narty is a 19 rand per box. And a tomato, the whole box is 40 rand, guys. And then we have onion, this bag is 40 rand. And 7 kg potatoes, also 40 rand, guys. So it's a bargain, guys. You save a lot if you can pay. So what else? And I registered my cell phone number for WhatsApp with Pick and Pay. So usually when they have specials, you see by WhatsApp, guys. They WhatsApp us promotion special and stuff. So yeah, maybe we have to try it, guys. Register your phone with Pick and Pay so that you can see specials when they have specials. So yeah. So guys, I'm back. I just wanna cook. I don't know what I'm gonna cook now, but I have to cook. I have to make something quick for supper because we are already late for lunch. Yeah, they're even helping me here to unpack. So
Mama said
yeah,
you must cook.
have a lovely day. Have a lovely day. And then we are opening the door for light. It's too much light. Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Good afternoon, family. How are you doing? It's Tuesday today, guys. I just want to check you guys. Do you know what's going on today? Today is my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. It's the 16th of September. It's my birthday. Pop, 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 pop. Guys, yeah. There's nothing happening. It's nothing happening. I'm at home as usual, guys. But it's my birthday, guys. Yeah. And it's my last year in the 40s, guys. I'm 49. I'm turning 50 next year. I'm revealing my age now. And I'm not ashamed, shame. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. So now I just wanna cook. I just wanna cook, guys. Now I'm cooking, I'm making minced meat and pasta. So I'll cook with you right now. So guys, I'm going somewhere to celebrate my birthday. I'm going. So you'll see I can't reveal anything, but I'm going to celebrate somewhere, guys. I need a break. I need to rest. Guys, yeah. Just to thank myself, guys. We are doing a lot. We have to take time for ourselves. So I'm going. You will see. You will see. You will see. Definitely see. I'll capture every moment, guys. So yeah. Another thing is that I want to show you this. Remember, I broke my selfie stick. It was the bigger one, the nice one. Yeah. So I bought the cheapest, but it's doing the job, guys. Doing the work. So yeah, the smaller yana. You see, the smaller yana, especially when I'm out. Yeah. So I have this house one. And then I bought myself some spades again, guys. Go for Shein for 140. So let's cook together, guys. Let's cook together. I'm so excited, guys. It's my birthday. But I'm cooking. Yeah. To be a mother, to be a wife, to be. Ooh. So, guys, let's cook. Ta-na-na-na. Garlic and ginger, guys. La, 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 la. white pepper. White pepper, onion, guys. We have kids, and I don't want to separate. I don't have time. Ah. This spicy. Garlic and herb. Gonna be garlic everywhere. Yeah, gonna be garlic everywhere. No rocks. Let's add no rocks. And then there's our minced meat already washed. So let me switch on the stove because the food is already cooked. We are done for me. We are done. So fam, I'm done cooking. I'm done cooking minced meat. So I can't cook pasta now. Still early. So I'll make it later. I'll cook it later. So now I just wanna undone my hair. I started at the back here. I have to undone my hair. Tomorrow I'm going to pleat my hair. As you know, I'm going on vacation. Should I call vacation? Weekend away for my birthday celebration. So allow me to go, guys. It's a good night. It's a good night, guys. I'll show a plate. I'll show you a plate when I'm done cooking later, our supper, guys. So I love you.
Happy birthday, dear Coco. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you?
I want to cut for gold.
You will cut after.
Oh my God. Ah. Es ist too soft, yes. I need to lose flavor. Good day, good day, fam. How are you, guys? It's Wednesday today, so guys, let's go. I'm going to the salon, guys. I want to put my hair. I want to look beautiful for the weekend, like I told you. Guys, I'm so excited. So let's go together without wasting any time. Let's go. You look superb. Oh, this is me. This is me. The simple look, guys. For yeah, the simple look for yeah, chores and stuff. So let's go. It's nice. Back on yeah. Not complicated.